Yeah, God is a blessing, my nigga. God is a blessing, my nigga. One up production, nigga. Always keep that motherfucker, bro. No face affiliation. All the time, man. See, now if you niggas knew me, man, you niggas love me, nigga. At the beginning, they already know what the fuck it is, nigga. Always that way. Life bugs glossy. One glance could be costly. When the deuces turn you to stone, my belief you frosty, cold inside. So you can feel the pain coming from windows left open. Releasing the same, our streets are trained. Only teddy bears remain. Cemeteries packed just like that prison cage. I've been through mazes. Shootouts amazing. Ambush literally from the bushes they spray from. Getting back in case something. Damn, they ain't budging. Caught a hole on my right side. I had to wake something. See too much, way too much, but soak it up like sponge. Never knew that prison bust me, but I had my functions for my bars and my bunches. And the truth to be told, pupils bent over Carter's Grove to Juno. So how the fuck would you know what my life is? I'm going mad like Cujo. The story behind my eyelids. You look into my eyes, you see me inside my eyes.
What it do? It's your boy Tommy G, Coffee and Cannabis. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. No share it. And no comment. Anyway, I'm bringing another video to y'all concerning, my life, things I've been through, and things others have been through or going through right now. And right now, we all going through it, ain't we all? Don't we all feel it? Don't y'all feel it? I know I do. It's really going down out here, bro. No lie. Now, they're messing with Kanye and Kyrie over history. Y'all know what this is all about. It's over the revelation of history. It's not like they're out here promoting violence. It's not like they're out here speaking against peace or love. They are out here trying to reveal a truth. And it's not fair. If you are what you are, that's just what you is. If you're not, that's just what you're not. But don't sit up here and take away something that belongs to me and claim that it's yours, bro. And then get mad when I try to reclaim what is rightfully mine. You can't negotiate with people like that, y'all. That's my point today for this. You cannot negotiate with people who hate you, bro. Their whole goal was to destroy us and make us disappear. And it's not working. They've been trying to kill us, bro, for the longest. And it's not working. AIDS, cancer, prison, hell, even the school system, doctors, jobs. They attacked us in all shapes and forms, bro. An entire spectrum of life, bro. The whole entire spectrum of life. They have attacked us people. Y'all know when people come from foreign countries and try to become U.S. citizens, bro, They directly tell them to not fuck with the black people of this country. We're evil. We hate our women. We don't like education. We're just savages. They tell the Africans that come here, the Japanese that come here, the Iranians, bro, when they go and take them classes to become U.S. citizens, this is what is in their curriculum. I got friends, bro, from Saudi Arabia. They like, yeah, bro, they tell us this shit when we come here and got to pay the $20,000 to $40,000 to become a U.S. citizen. Shit, that's our money. Facts. This video is on fuck reparations, bro. Pay us our rent, give us everything back. Get out the fucking White House, let us step up in there, or we just gonna have to rush this motherfucker and take back our rightful land, bro. That's what this video is about. Fuck reparations, bro. This is our land. What you mean? We gonna pay y'all for what we did, but we keeping everything we taking, including y'all ideas and inventions. We keeping the land. We gonna make money off that and just give y'all a little. Nigga, I am talking about 1/1,000,000,000% of what we deserve as black people in this country. Or, you know, when I was younger, my mama used to tell me black people didn't like that word black. They didn't like, you call somebody black back in the day, it was fighting words. So I'm gonna say my red Aboriginal people, period. My native people, true natives. And I don't give a fuck who get mad about it. It don't matter who get mad no more. Let's fight. I'm tired of this. You telling me to motherfucking shut up about who I truly am and who the fuck you are not. And you're trying to be me, but tell me to shut up about it. Man, fuck y'all, bro. I'm speaking to everybody who got an issue with that. And me and my people, bro. Everybody. Ain't no being nice. No, I got my little brother. He be like, bro, you gotta, you know what I'm saying, calm down. Man, fuck them, bro. Look what they doing to our brothers, bro. Kyrie and Kanye did nothing to no one but tried to help. Tried to educate. And they get attacked, they get money taken from them, they get suspended, shit like that, bro. All because Kyrie said go check out a movie. That's in Shaq's theaters. Shaq a hoe ass nigga too, bro. Nigga, this movie in your motherfucking theater, nigga. He'll promote your motherfucking theater, and you gonna say, man, he's an idiot. You a hoe ass nigga, Shaq. You a hoe. You a hoe, nigga. And everybody that ride with you. All them bitch ass niggas in the NBA and all that shit. I don't give a fuck if you gang affiliate, whatever, nigga. You niggas ain't no real gangsters, bro. In the NFL, all that shit, throwing up gang signs, then all that shit, nigga. That shit don't mean nothing to nobody no more, nigga. You niggas hoe ass niggas, G, to see this shit go on with these gentlemen. To see things go on, you know, with all this mistreatment of us. Here go two of y'all people that's on y'all pedestal, bro. So I'm hoping it's real and that there's not no type of fabrication to blind us away from what's really going on, and that Kyrie and Kanye are really on that mission. Because people are riled up and ready to fight for y'all, bro. But when you got the NBA players, the black coaches, and NFL players and their coaches, the black, you know, baseball, entertainment, I mean, all you niggas gotta do is shut down and we'll see exactly what the fuck these people on. We just stop going to work, stop sending our kids to their schools, all that shit, G, and we will see exactly how they feel about us and what they gonna do about it. I'm telling y'all nothing but bring us trouble. Nigga, today I see a video where the police bombed a Philadelphia black neighborhood, bro. If they go that fucking far, bro, what the fuck, nigga? What the fuck? Y'all bomb a town, bro? In this motherfucking day and age? They said it happened between, I believe, the 80s and 90s. To me, that's my day and age, nigga. I'm my 80s, 70s, baby. These people are not friendly. The statement, kill you with kindness, that's what they use, y'all. Killing us with kindness. Smiling in our faces for stabbing us. Hey, yeah, yeah, we do love you, you fucking nigga. And we got our leaders, so we can't blame the white people, G. We got leaders, bro. We got our leaders doing this. This is real, my nigga. This is real. So I'm gonna say again, quit blaming the white people, bro. It's some motherfucking evil black people behind this. And they using them, pale face, as the face of evil. Now, I read the Bible. I told y'all that. I read about the 4 horsemen. Now, don't take this. Don't take it how you want to take it. But the 4 horsemen in the Bible, Revelations, are 4 plagues. You got the white, the red, the black, and the pale, or the gray, or the dead horse, however you want to call it. But the pale horse represents death. The black horse represents pestilence and, minimal food. The red horse represents death, destruction, It's that white horse and its rider. You read Revelations on the 4 horsemen and that white horse, it says he was bent on conquering, out to conquest. He was drunk with conquering. Bro, in my opinion, that's the white man, bro. And I only say that because, bro, I got locked up and I read an article in Time magazine and it said the browning of America. Which means white people are slowly disappearing and they know it. I don't know how true this is, but I seen a YouTube seminar where a lady said white people didn't exist till 1681. What? Well, that mean all them pictures y'all got of white people and statues and everything are recently created and fabricated. Seen pictures of Socrates, King James, George Washington, Alexander Hamilton. And I told y'all before, these people were black. So, help me understand what's going on. And this is the reason I say in my previous videos that we were set up. I don't believe no weaker race came through and just took over. Not when we already had inventions and stuff. When we had these buildings that I'm looking at around me right now. They've been here. Then they talk about this situation with mud floods and all this stuff. There's a whole other city under us. But maybe before this cataclysm, something happened. I'm not saying don't be mad at the white man because they're using their face. Yeah, everybody get it. But we want the main source, nigga. That's what we want. We want to know who the fuck and why, nigga, who the fuck sold us out to these people that's doing us like this for hundreds of years, nigga. Hundreds. What are you talking about? Put guns, drugs, alcohol in our communities and take away education and jobs. Kill us off. This shit crazy. So today, that's why I'm encouraging my people. My black men and sisters, my queens and kings. Everybody, every one of us, go and get full coverage, $100,000, $200,000, $300,000 policies, bro. Everybody go get life insurance. All your children, everybody, we get life insurance. Get them major policies though. Get them $400,000, $500,000, possibly $1 million if you can. Pay them in policies. And see next time another officer kill one of us with that policy, what them insurance companies gonna do to them motherfuckers. Cause they ain't gonna pay out that 400. They ain't just gonna pay out that $1 million. They gonna make sure a motherfucker get prosecuted to the highest degree of the law. Cause they don't wanna pay their money. Remember, it's about this. So I encourage every one of my black people, go get full coverage life insurance with them good 300. Nigga, if it's under $250,000, don't get it. Get some $250,000 or better. Protect y'all children, people. I went to college for a couple years. Now the cool black professor, very intelligent. He was a millionaire. The man said, get full coverage insurance on your babies when they're first born. If you get a good policy where you're paying, you know what I'm saying, probably about $40 to $100 a month, it's well worth it. Because by the time that baby turns about 19 years old, you're going to have over $300,000 in the bank or in that life insurance account. That is all your money. By the time that baby turns 18, it should be well over $1 million in there. See, this is what they do for their children. And I should have been told you people this, and I apologize for not relinquishing this information to you previous. But if you're listening to this video, you guys, if you're a sister, do this. If you have sisters, if you have a daughter, you have a niece, an aunt, a friend, a female friend, let them know. And all you good fathers, go get full coverage life insurance with them good $1 million policies for y'all babies, bro. And pay that money every month to keep them payments going. I promise you, by the time that baby turn about, now, it's 10 years later, by the time that baby turn about 19 years old, no lie, you're going to have well over like $350,000 to $400,000 in the bank. Or in that life insurance account. And you can cash it out and reestablish another insurance policy. My bad, yes, and you can cash it out because it's your money. So I need for my people to take heed and go do that. And remember, as soon as you have your baby, go immediately get full coverage life insurance with at least $1 million policy. Let's start protecting ourselves and our children, y'all. For real. It's time we do right. You hear me? It's time we make it happen for us. It's the only thing I'm here to stress. I'll come to you with another video soon. But right now, it's coffee and cannabis. I had my morning. Right now, it's the evening. Coffee for the morning. Coffee for the evening. Cannabis for the morning. Cannabis for the evening. That's how you should start and finish your day. Get love first. Peace later. That's just real. It's your boy Tommy G, man. I just hope y'all take heed to what I just said. And hopefully, hopefully somebody listen, they spread this word, this seed spread, you know what I'm saying? Because we're all fed up. All of us are fed up, bro. And I understand completely, especially being a man who's done time, who was mistreated by the prison system, and just done in, done wrong, bro. So I do understand. And that's why I always emphasized on free everyone. Because it wasn't our fault. It really wasn't. And we wasn't doing nothing but trying. We ain't do nothing but keep trying. I'm gonna let y'all go, man. Remember, love first, peace later. And I'm gonna come back with a new episode soon.
Here we come in the sound as if we're stomping on landmines. Handling we function straight up dumping we mankind. When Busterism and chronic hating he transfound because with Calico that's the Eagle 44 and 9. Crown leaning to the right of my skull as I stroll. If we cross ways and decide to pistol play, it'll be known. This thing that they call it a game is mostly pain. It's conducive, man. You know that there's no points to be made. Just deductions and some deadly concussions. When you would grow, best keep low, watch your back, and you best to keep busting. Cause the opposing team they come to lose nothing. I mean, purpose and goal is to gain just a little respect from you busters. Cause we gon' play where we wants to play and ball where we wants to ball. If they get the same that we can't, then fuck all them moms. And matter of fact, fuck they mamas too. Cause the bitch is down for you, whether you right or wrong. Cause that's the things that mamas do.